ever wondered about the origins of the delicious Italian street food that tantalizes your taste buds? Let's take a flavorful journey through the bustling streets of Italy, where the aroma of freshly cooked food wafts through the air. Known for its culinary delights, Italy's street food culture is a feast for the senses, as much a part of its vibrant heritage as its ancient ruins and art. Savory or sweet, these foods are a testament to the country's love for good food, served fresh and fast. From the crispy, cheesy arancini in Sicily to the juicy porchetta sandwiches in Rome, the variety is endless. And let's not forget the famous gelato, a treat that has become synonymous with Italian culture. But have you ever pondered how these street foods came to be? How have these culinary traditions been preserved through the ages? In this video, we'll delve into the rich history of Italian street food, tracing its origins and evolution. Believe it or not, the story of Italian street food began in ancient Rome. When we look back through the annals of history, we find that the bustling streets of Rome were filled with food vendors, serving up quick, delicious, and affordable meals to the urban residents. This was a time when dining out wasn't a luxury, but a necessity, especially for those without a kitchen in their homes. In the heart of ancient Rome, vendors served staple foods like bread, olives, and wine. The bread was often garnished with herbs, salt, and olive oil, making it a simple yet satisfying meal. Olives, a Mediterranean staple, were served in various forms, from freshly picked to marinated and pickled. And let's not forget the wine, a true Roman indulgence, poured generously and enjoyed heartily. But it wasn't just about filling the stomach. Street food in ancient Rome was also about community and camaraderie, with food stalls serving as popular gathering spots for locals to share a meal and engage in lively conversation. As we move forward to the Middle Ages, the Italian street food scene began to evolve. Vendors started offering more complex dishes with a wider variety of ingredients. One could find everything from roasted meats and fish to stews and soups, all served with a side of fresh bread. Fruits, nuts, and cheese also became popular street food items, often enjoyed as a quick snack or dessert. Street food during the Middle Ages was not just about sustenance, but also about creativity and innovation. Vendors were constantly experimenting with new recipes, incorporating a rich variety of local produce and spices. This period marked a significant evolution in the Italian culinary landscape, paving the way for the diverse and vibrant street food culture we see today. So from the bustling streets of ancient Rome to the vibrant markets of the Middle Ages, Italian street food has indeed come a long way. It has not only survived but thrived, adapting to changing times and tastes, while staying true to its roots. From ancient Rome to the Middle Ages, Italian street food has been a staple in the diet of Italians, and it continues to be a beloved part of Italy's rich culinary heritage, delighting locals and tourists alike with its simplicity, authenticity, and irresistible flavors. As we move into modern times, Italian street food began to evolve and diversify. The beautiful tapestry of regional differences across the country has played a significant role in shaping the street food landscape. From the sun-drenched southern regions to the alpine north, each area has its unique offerings. In the south, you'll find arancini, delectable fried rice balls stuffed with a variety of fillings. As you move north, you'll encounter panzerotti, a type of deep-fried turnover filled with tomatoes and mozzarella. It's like a mini calzone, but better. Each region's local ingredients and traditions contribute to the vast array of street food available, making every bite a journey through Italy's culinary map. The evolution of Italian street food hasn't just been influenced by regional differences, though. Economic changes and the waves of immigration have also left their mark. For example, the post-war period saw a rise in the popularity of pizza. Originating from Naples, this humble street food began to conquer the world, becoming a symbol of Italian cuisine. Economic growth allowed for the introduction of new ingredients, leading to the pizza varieties we know and love today. Immigration, too, introduced new flavors to the Italian street food scene. Take, for instance, the Middle Eastern influence seen in the spiced flatbreads of Sicily, or the North African mark left on the fish couscous of Trapani. And of course, we can't discuss Italian street food without mentioning the sweet treats. Gelato, Italy's answer to ice cream, is a modern favorite. With roots in ancient Rome, it was reimagined in the 16th century by a Florentine artist. Today, gelaterias dot street corners across Italy, offering a rainbow of flavors to passers-by. Today, Italian street food is a vibrant mix of traditional and modern dishes, each with its own unique story. This evolution continues as street food vendors keep innovating, fusing the old with the new, and ensuring that Italian street food remains a dynamic part of the country's gastronomic heritage. Today, Italian street food is more than just a quick bite. It's a cultural experience. It plays a pivotal role in the daily life of Italians, from morning espresso at the local bar to grabbing a panino for lunch. It's not just about filling the stomach, it's about tasting a piece of history, a moment of connection with the vibrant local culture. In towns and cities alike, you'll find local festivals or sagre celebrating a particular food or ingredient where street food takes center stage. You'll see people of all ages gathered around food stalls, sharing laughter, stories, and of course, food. And let's not forget the burgeoning trend of food trucks, bringing Italian street food to the global stage. From New York to Tokyo, people are falling in love with the simple yet profound flavors of Italian street food. Whether you're in the hustle and bustle of Rome or the quiet streets of a small town, Italian street food is a testament to Italy's rich culinary history and vibrant culture. So, next time you bite into a slice of pizza or a scoop of gelato, remember the centuries-old history behind these delicious treats. This culinary journey has taken us from the bustling streets of ancient Rome, where street food was a cornerstone of daily life, to the vibrant piazzas of modern-day Italy, where it continues to be a cultural staple. We've traced the evolution of these mouth-watering delights, understanding how they've adapted and transformed over the centuries, yet still hold on to their authentic roots. These aren't just meals. They're a narrative of Italy's rich history and its passion for food. Each bite, each flavor, tells a story of tradition, innovation, and the ever-present love for good food. If you enjoyed this journey through the history of Italian street food, don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights. Who knows what tasty adventure we'll embark on next?